MM journey, let's look at the key tables every SAP MM consultant uses in real-time projects. First, material master tables. MARA, general data. MARC, plant specific data. MARD, storage location data. MAKT, material descriptions. MARM, unit of measure. MVKE, sales data for material, and MBEW, material valuation. Next, vendor master tables. LFA1, general data. LFB1, company code data. LFM1, purchasing organization data. BUT 000, business partner general data. BUT 100, business partner roles. And BUT 020, business partner address. Moving on to info record and source list. EINE, info record general data. EINE, info record by purchasing organization data. And EORD, the source list for approved vendors. Now, purchasing tables used to manage purchase requisition and purchase orders. EKKO, purchase order header level data. EKPO, purchase order line item data. EKBE, PO history. EKKN, account assignment in PO. EBAN, purchase requisition. And EBKN, PR account assignment data. Finally, inventory tables. MKPF, material document header. MSEG, document line items. And MATDAO, the universal inventory table in SAP S/4HANA. Save this reel for quick revision and follow RISE Infotech for more SAP tips, tricks and career insights.